Okay. Microsoft account. Go to the Microsoft account. Yeah. Select it. Continue. So do you have any Microsoft account, Sargam?
No, I mean I do have my office account, but Microsoft as in specifically
Microsoft, see,
Microsoft. Yeah.
Microsoft account. No, no, Microsoft account we can create with the help of Gmail, Yahoo, anything. Okay. So do you have any such account?
No, no, no.
Okay. So can you click on the create one? Okay. Just click on the create one. Click. It is not moving.
Yeah.
So what we can do, we will create a account. Okay. So give your Gmail ID, Yahoo, whatever you have, just give it. Uh, okay. Click on the next.
Is
Okay.
already a Microsoft. Okay.
Yes. So click on sign in. Hmm. Give the password if you
Eh,
remember. Otherwise,
I don't because
you can
Vishal,
get a code. See, there is a second option at the bottom. Second below that. You will get a code on your email ID. So do
okay.
you have this email ID open maybe in mobile or laptop?
Sure, sure.
Huh.
Because I gave couple of Microsoft Teams I mean examinations. I think at
Okay,
that time I might have created. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, I've got the code. I'm putting it right away.
Okay, so now what it is doing, Sargam, it is doing the sign in. Okay, so
Next.
yeah, yes, next. Huh. Don't do anything. Get started. No, don't do anything. Get
Okay.
started.
Okay.
Okay, perfect. You are good now.
Then skip, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine. So after that, then you said we need to install the file. Okay, that part is done. I mean, you shared
Yeah,
the
that
link.
is done. So that's the reason you are able to
Yeah,
log
yeah,
in,
yeah,
right?
yeah. Got it. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah. All good.
perfect. Yeah.
Thanks.
Okay. Now, I want to just explain few things from the Power Automate point of view, right? Let me share my screen quickly. So here, Power Automate. Okay, Power Automate has two things, as I said. One is cloud and one is desktop. So you can see this is the desktop. So whatever you did the installation, that is a desktop. Okay, and if you go here and if you type make.powerautomate.com, right? So it's a we can say cloud one. Okay, so we have to learn both the things, right? Cloud as well as desktop. And most of the what I can say. AI capabilities, right? GPT capabilities we'll see from the cloud. Okay. So we have to learn cloud. We have to learn the desktop also. Okay. Now, next question I want to ask. Uh, so here we have around 7 to 8 people, right? So I want to ask, are you going to use your Office Microsoft account or no? I know, like Sargam said, it is not allowed, but what about others? Ajay, Dipali, Nisha, Prajwal.
No, I
Personal.
don't have office one, personal one, Outlook ID.
Okay. So everyone going to use personal.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Yes.
Okay, all right. So I will consider yes, everyone is going to use the personal because yes, few organization they will allow to use on personal computer, right? And most of them, right, they will not allow to use on personal phone, right? So here, when we have to learn the AI capabilities, right? Here you can see AI Hub and all, right? We need a Microsoft account, okay? Right? We need a Microsoft account. So Praveen, Outlook account will not work. Okay. When we want to learn this, AI capabilities because there we need a premium account, right? From the Microsoft, right? Without it, we'll not able to go for AI capability, right? So what is the alternative? For example, if we want to do it, right? What is the alternative? In that case, uh, suppose if you are able to manage by your own, right? Any Microsoft account, maybe your friends or something, very well you can do that. If not, right? Uh, I will be able to provide you the Microsoft account, right? It will be available around 3 to 4 weeks, right? With the Microsoft 365 subscription, that is obviously we do require, right? Where we can use all these premium features, right? With the cost of 1K, right? Three for 3 to 4 weeks, right? So I will, and right away we don't require it. We require after our syllabus is completed 40 to 50%, okay? Then we require it, right? Right away is not required, but I just want to give the heads up. Maybe next week I will ask whoever want to uh, need that account, right? You can let me know. Then I will ask the vendor, right, to create this account and will provide you along with all the subscription. Okay, clear? Any question? All good, right? Because without that premium subscription, right, we'll not able to use this AI cap.
So this premium one is for 3 to 4 weeks, is it? Cable?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, okay,
After that also you need,
sounds good.
right? But every month you have to pay that amount, right? But from learning point of view, for doing course things, right, 3 to 4 weeks are more than enough.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Okay, yeah. Just a second, just give me. Okay, sorry. Hmm. So can we start, or do we have any point?
Just a
Okay.
quick question.
Huh.
Regarding this personal email that we're using, what would the significant uh, change, or if we compare with the official email ID,
Okay.
the emails and all that we have to configure? Let's say if you're going with the personal email ID, would that
Uh-huh.
be a challenge? Yeah, because with the Office ID, you get these Outlook and other,
Hmm.
emails and all that configured already, the configuration already there in place, which could be easier to use. But we are using the personal email ID. Do we need to do that setup as well?
Yeah, we have to do that setup as well, right, Sachin? And in
Yep.
addition to that, this AI capabilities will not able to use in personal ID.
Okay, so when we say AI capability, that are we talking about AI builders and others
Yes,
specifically?
yes, yes, AI
Okay,
cap.
got it, got it. Okay,
And
thanks,
that is
thanks for that.
really required, okay, because that is the main important topic. So without it, we'll not able to go ahead. Sachin.
Got it. Thanks.
Okay. Okay. So let's start, right? So first thing I want to tell. Hope everyone has provided your email ID into the group. In case you did not provide it, please send it into our WhatsApp group. I will add, right? So every session will be recorded, right? So after the every session, I will share the recording link to download it, okay, along with the assignment. But first we'll talk about recording, right? So I will share all those things via email. So what you have to do, as soon as you receive the recording, you have to download it, right? What you have to do, you have to download it, right? So download is very essential because it will be available with you forever, right? If you are not downloading within 4 5 days, it will not be available on the cloud. It will get deleted, and if it is get deleted, there is no way to recover it, right? So I would suggest everyone, please download it as soon as you are receiving the recording. Okay, after the session within 1 hour, you will get the recording. Okay, at the same time, after every session, you will get assignment as well. So I would request everyone, please uh, try to do that assignment. Even though you are not able to complete 100%, try to do it 40%, 50%, 60%, try it. Okay? Because if you are not going to try, then you will not able to do anything. So something is better than nothing. And obviously you will be able to do it uh, if you like suppose we have learned something for today, and if you understood properly, if you doing the practice, then definitely you will be able to do it. Right? Few things will be here and there, that's fine, that I can explain. Okay? So I would request everyone, please try to complete all the assignments on the time. I know everyone is working, right? But take some time because now we have decided to move into the RPA space, right? So take some time, right? If you are going to give 1.5 to 2 years max, right, every day, that is more than it. Okay. And within that, if you have any error, any issue, right? You can post the screenshot into the group or you can ask me, right? I will resolve those. So no need to wait till the next session. Yes, if something is required, like I have to share the screen and I have to explain that I can tell you into the next session. But most of the doubts, errors, I will solve into the group itself. Okay. All right. Then next point. Uh, Here, what we will do or what will be our approach, right? I will explain you the use case from the automation point of view or any topic I will explain you, right? Then if you understood it, well and good. If not, you can ask me once, twice, thrice, doesn't matter. Okay? You can ask and understand because your understanding is more important. Implementation anyone can do. Okay? It is not a big deal. If you just see my screen, you will be able to do it. But what we have to do, we have to develop our mindset towards the automation. Why? Because suppose during our session we are going to take some 15 use cases, right? Tomorrow, if any 16, 17, 18, right, any use cases is coming in front of you, you should be able to tackle it. So that's the reason we have to build our mindset towards the automation. That is very, very important. Okay. So request to everyone, please understand, don't do any hurry. I will give ample amount of time to build the things. Okay. So first understand, see my screen, what is happening, right? And then try to do it when I will say yes, go ahead and do it. Okay. And someone want to use the two screens. Suppose someone will say on the same screen I want to see and same screen I want to work also. So you can use two screens also. If you don't have two screens, right? If you're comfortable, well and good. If not, then you can take help of your mobile also. Anything is all right. So let's go. Okay. So first thing we will start from the desktop, right? And this is our day one, right? This is our day one. So for day one, I will try to make you people familiar with the uh, Power Automate things, right? Along with the few basic programming concepts. Okay. So don't take otherwise like this is not automation and all, right? So real automation, end-to-end automation, we will start learning from the next session, not from today. Okay. Today I will just make you everyone familiar with the tool. That's it. Understood? Okay. So first thing first, everyone, what you can do, right? Uh, Hope everyone have this shortcut, desktop shortcut for the Power Automate desktop available here, right? So just double click. Once you double click, right, it will open in this way. Okay, it will launch in this particular way. Okay, so it will give this welcome message. Then it will give some short videos about Power Automate, how it works and all, right? And they have given some example. If you click on that, see all. Okay, sorry, here. See all, right? They have given all the example like how to automate Excel, web automation, desktop automation, right? So they have given here. So don't worry, these are very small examples they have given, right? We will cover more than that. Okay. And here they have tutorials and some useful links, right? And if you go to the flows, so what do you mean by the flows? Flows means the automations which you have created. Okay, so it will be available here. So far you did not create it, so obviously it will not be available here. And I want to tell one very important thing. This tool has built on the .NET platform, which is very similar to our operating system or any Microsoft Office we are using, right? So there we are using Word, sorry, Word, Excel, right? So you can get a similar feel. And also whatever the keyboard shortcuts we are using there, for example, copy, cut, paste, anything, right? So those keyboard shortcuts we can use here also.